When you get a website from Website Installer, we have a lot of great automated features that make your life really easy. And so let's take a look at one of them right now called Table of Contents. So I'm just choosing one of these templates. I'm going to jump ahead and just show you how the function works. You have all these pages on the site. Let's just open a few. We're scrolling down. So far, only text was added, no images. Images are easy. But let's see, I would like to create something called the Table of Contents box. It's not here, but if we add it here, it's going to put a box up here and push everything down where it creates shortcuts to all the H2s and the H3s going down the page. This is something Google loves to see for easier navigation so that people who are looking for answers when they land on the pages can find them right away. By creating a Table of Contents box, then all of the H2s and H3s that are available on your web pages actually get included in the keyword combinations that Google's willing to show you for, because people will see it up here above the fold. So let's say we have 100 pages on the website, and I'm going to log in, and I'm going to go to where the pages are, pages, content. And in this case, there's 70 pages on the website right here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show them all. That way I see all of them. And then I'm going to select all. And I'm simply going to hit this button, Add Table of Contents. And it's done. So if I go back and refresh, aha. Now we have this box that can be hidden and opened. Default is open, and it's a shortcut like a table of contents to anywhere down below. And so whatever I hit takes me right down there right away so that I am in the right place on the page. And this is true for every one of the pages. This is a great thing because Google wants to see this, and by adding it, your pages can show up for lots more keywords. Instead of showing up for just 2 or 3, your pages can show up for hundreds of keywords at a time. And that means that even a 70-page website can show up for over 7,000 keywords all by itself. If you like that, head over to Website Installer to learn more. You can choose a template and apply a domain to it and install it in minutes and start building it on the spot with all of our automated tools. It literally takes minutes to build whole websites.